Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth lesson of our authorization part of the Introduction to Web Development with Django course. Today we'll improve our front end, add a registration page, and overall almost finished the authorization implementation in our projects. So in the last lesson we did a login page, a layout page, and some URLs. Right now we need to create a registration page that we already did create. And now in this registration page we need to import layout, extends main layout HTML. Here we go. Then we write load crispy form text. We're loading it down for registration authorization. Then we write block content. Then we write for example h1 registration form action will be for example this method post. Then we write end type, encryption type, multi-part form data. Here we go. It's actually Copilot helping me. I just wanted to try it out, maybe show it to you guys. So it's kind of crazy and cool stuff, and it's actually so helpful. So I want to replace the button with input type submit. Maybe, yeah. Then we need to write the value register. Here we go. Then we write if forms dot errors. So if the form is not valid, div class alert danger. Then we write form errors. Let's add strong here. Strong. Here we go. And then we close the div. Yeah. Then we write end div. Then we close the form. And then end block. Oh, yeah, it's actually so helpful. So the thing is that also we need to add the already have an account, so it will redirect us to login. And then we close the block. Here we go. Now with the help of Microsoft Copilot, we've finished the front-end page very fast, and now we need to I think we need to create a registration successful page. So doc type HTML Oops. Doc type HTML. Yay. Then HTML head. Oh no, that's not that. Head. We don't really need head right now, but we will need it later. Then we write the body. Wow. Yeah, it's so helpful. So let me show it to you guys. So when I write something, it shows me suggestion, and we can press a tab to actually agree with that edition and add it to our text. Yeah, and it's so helpful. So here we need to add registration successful. That will indicate that our we have successfully registered to our project. And then we have a text that should display you have successfully registered, and then the link for the login page so they can log in to our project. That's basically it for our thank you page, like registration successful page. And in conclusion, during this lesson we've almost finished doing our front end and kind of finished implementing our backend for authorization. Thank you for your attention.